Hey guys, today I'm gonna hopefully install raylib, or at least the Pascal bindings for raylib. If you don't know anything about raylib, it seems like it's a fairly new graphics library. It seems to have quite a few features. It was inspired by the Borland graphics interface, so that's something I'm used to. So I'm kind of interested to see how easy I can transition from what I already know how to do and see if I could do them in raylib. But for today, I'm just going to try and install it in Lazarus. There's already a package for that. And to be honest, I tried it earlier with a different PC and it didn't work out so well for me. And I thought maybe others are having the same issues as I encountered. And I'll just go through this with my standard PC here. So there's lots of demos on the Raylib site. If you go there, raylib.com, you can check out all this stuff yourself. I'm just scrolling through this so you can see there's quite a bit of stuff there. And the version that the Pascal binding support is version 3.0, and I'm going to use the Lazarus package manager to install Ray for Laz. That's the package name, and here it is on GitHub. Now, I wish there was a bit more information on the uh, the bindings here, but hopefully the examples in here should be enough for us to play around with. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to launch Lazarus. I already have it running. Let's go to Online Package Manager. And there it is. I'm going to expand it and I'm just going to select it here and hit install from repository. So you do need OpenGL on your system. Most graphics cards support this. Maybe if you have an old computer or an old notebook, this might not work for you. And so far, it looks like everything is going well. So if you see down here where I'm pointing the mouse, it's recompiling everything. Let's rebuild. Now, if you're not used to this, this is normal. This is what Lazarus does when you install a new package. It rebuilds everything. Or if I'm wrong, somebody correct me, please. Now, this only happens when you install a new package, so it's not going to be this slow going forward after it's finished. I'm also screen recording, so it slows things down a bit. Normally this would go a little bit faster, actually a lot faster. Okay, so let's just go to the install packages and see that it's there. And here we go. Okay, now when I install a package, one thing I don't understand is if it installs things like demos, or is it just the actual component that it installs. Um, so what I do is just download the package and unzip the demos. So here I'm going to go to download. Oh, I downloaded the wrong one. Ignore that. It's this one we should be downloading. Okay, open it up, and there we go. There's some examples there. So what I'm going to do is grab this and minimize. And just paste it here. So this is my desktop. And back into Lazarus, I'm going to open desktop and go into the examples here. And let's do basic window. That seems simple enough. Open project and yes, created. Okay. Well, um, let's see, it actually compiled it, and we're getting an error. So this is what we're getting, which is fine because I don't think the raylib DLL was um, included with the component install. So if we go to the raylib GitHub, we have the bindings for version 3, so we're going to download the DLL. Now, there's a lot of things here, and I've previously downloaded this version, and it didn't work for me. And I downloaded this version as well, the 32, but it didn't work well for me either. But the MinkW worked, so keep that. Yeah, often the built-in defender will detect a lot of downloads as dangerous or infected with a virus. Those are just false positives, at least for me. So be careful. And that's not what we're looking for. Okay, that's not the right file. Let's check this one. Hmm. Okay, let's try again. I'm pretty sure this was not the right one, but there should be a raylib DLL somewhere. Oh, here it is. So it's under bin. Okay. So let's copy this into our folder here and see if this works now. Yay. Okay, so I was wrong with the previous file. This one works. This is what we get. So there's a debugging window that tells you about your display and what it initialized, and this is what it came up with. So, um, so the file that worked was actually this this one. So Win64-MSVC15. So I wonder, raylib DLL. Okay. Did I miss it the first time? Bin. Yeah, I did. It was, no, that's library lib. Strange. Okay, so the right file is raylib.dll, and I don't know why it's missing from these ones. So in raylib 3.0.0 Win64-MSV15 zip, and under bin, there's your file, raylib.dll. Copy that to your uh, exe folder, and things should work just like they did on my computer. Now to get the right folder back, just close all these. Okay, so let's go back into, okay, let's close the first test program down, go back to Lazarus, and let's open up another file, and let's see if there's anything more interesting. Shapes, basic shapes, let's try that. Okay, that worked as well, so that's good. Let's keep going. Now the thing I noticed is this window is not resizable here. I'm wondering if it's set to a specific size. Okay, here we go. Here, let's try and make this bigger. Uh, let's see if that works. Yep. Okay, that's good. That was easy. File open. All right. Let's see if we can find something more impressive. Background scrolling, that sounds good. Oh, that one just crashed on us. Okay, I'm gonna stop and go into, no, still crashes. Okay, so I don't know if this is a problem with the demo or a problem with my graphics card, but this one doesn't work. So let's open up another one. Oh yeah, that one works. Let's see if we can make the screen here bigger. Well, that's a lot of bunnies. Okay. 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 That was simple enough. Uh, Particles. Let's try that one. that's nice. Well, that's some good effects. Well, I think this one's my favorite so far. Okay. Sprite explosions. That sounds good. Oh, okay. That one doesn't work. That one doesn't work either. So I'm not sure if these are failing because of my graphics card or, if these demos just weren't properly ported. Let me know if you have better luck with this. I'm really curious to know. Because some of these demos work and they work really well, while others seem to crash. Okay, yeah, that's nice. First person maze, let's try that. So it looks like there's quite a bit of demos. That didn't compile. Okay, maybe a lot of this is just work in progress. Oh, this one's nice. So I think this one's my second favorite so far. Okay, let's see if there's. I think we went through most of these. Anyway, the main purpose of this video wasn't to show you all the demos, but to try and install it. And I think I've kind of managed to do that, even though it didn't go quite as smooth as I hoped for. Um, if there's an easier way of installing this, or if I messed up somewhere, let me know. But it looks like this is something I'm gonna take a closer look and see if I could create my own little demo. And I'll post it in the future. But for now, this is what I got, and you saw it all.